Hi, Clark Branham here, Singing Machine USA, and we're here to talk to you about the 680p propane grinder. This is a 3-head propane machine, and I'll just show you first off some of the extras that kind of come with it. With every grinder, you get the dust shroud, of course, and this one has a wheel kit, a travel kit, and we'll put that on in a minute. This is running the Kawasaki motor with a 3-stage regulator. You also have weight kits, adjustable weight kits, so you have a back, neutral, and forward position, so you can drop the weights down for heavy grinding. Wheel kits have a little bumper wheel on the bottom so that when you tip the machine back, it doesn't scratch the floor. It's actually a very nice feature. I'm going to leave these all the way back. This is the fuel line. This is the regulator. This is a 27 horsepower Onyx motor. It's a Kawasaki engine, but the conversion is done by Onyx, so they're very, very good motors. Their regulator works different than other motors. Most the propane engines are a 2-stage regulator. This is actually a 3-stage regulator. Okay, this machine has a unique feature. It has a battery tender and a battery charger, so you can plug in here. And this is the master breaker, so to start the machine, you have to turn that breaker on in order to get power to the engine, okay? And the batteries are behind that. They're tucked away nice. This is one of the standard type propane tanks. It's got a forklift connection on it, and this is a vapor tank. The nice thing about this particular motor is you can use liquid or vapor. We're running vapor on this. It will actually use either. The thing with the 3-stage regulator is that as the tank draws down and gets low, that regulator heats up the propane, and so the power level remains very constant. It doesn't fluctuate on you at all. This is the control for the handle, to drop the control handle down, right? Quick release on the bullhorn, so you can adjust the operating position where you need it. It's actually very useful. Okay, this is the control panel on the machine. You have a key to turn on power on and off. This is your emergency stop button. You turn it to lift it up, okay? This is your throttle. This is for the lights, for the LED lights, and this is for the water pump. And this is basically your tachometer. It basically shows your RPMs when you're operating. So it's a very simple control panel. Not a lot. There's also a USB port here with 2 different types so that you can charge a phone or another piece of equipment while you're operating. So in order to start the grinder here, I'm not going to do any grinding, but I need to install the wheel kit to keep the heads off the ground. First thing I'll do is just tip the machine back. I need to pull the pin. Drop the wheel kit in place. Slide the pin in. And then make sure you install the keeper. And there you go. Now when I drop the machine down, now I can move the machine freely. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start the motor. We started by turning the master breaker on inside. We're connected the fuel tank. I want to pull throttle out a little bit, and I want to turn the emergency stop to make sure it's up, and then turn the key on for the motor. Give it just a little bit of throttle. About 840. I'm working behind the head. I'll turn on the lights. You have the LED lights in the front and the back. And this will turn on the water. Just as off, you can just hit the emergency stop button. And that kills all power to the motor right away. It's a good idea after you've shut the motor off to turn the tank off and make sure that it's completely shut off that way. All right, and that's it for the 680p propane grinder. Again, this is the Kawasaki Onyx motor. It's 27 horsepower. A couple more little things I didn't mention. You notice that the pick points on the machine are clearly marked front and rear. That makes it very easy to lift the machine if you need to fly it to a higher floor or put it on a pallet to move it, whatever. It's very simple. As long as you use those proper pick points, you can lift the machine safely. And that's it. It's a real workhorse. It's a great little motor, great little grinder. So that's it for the 680p propane grinder.